Today's video, we're going to work on the R32 GTR, Jameson GTR. We're going to take some of the interior, maybe prepare the quarter panels, because we're gonna do a huge quarter panel swap and fixing his rust issues, because that car is so rusted out. It's not running, it's shit.
It's like, yeah, we're gonna have to back up and come back in.
You can hit the Mustang.
No.
Yes, you can.
I don't want it for this.
Damn, Eddie, you look so strong. Oh my god, carbon fiber? Go harder, James. James, are you not used to going hard?
Mason generally help.
I'll help.
Okay. Okay.
James, fix your door. I hear your gas.
They did it! Yay! So Adam, I don't. They opened a 7-Eleven.
It did move. Man, if my truck was running just illegal, that would work right now.
Oh yeah, I'll work it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. La da 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 da.
Cheats. There's no cheats. Thanks for letting me know. The wheel's turning.
Push. Pregnant.
You what? Actually a little turning.
Music licensing reimagined.
Bow. James made me hit. What the fuck?
Sorry, Gabe. What the fuck? Why am I listening to fucking Spanish music?
Wall. Push.
It's coming.
I think this is a door.
That door, you dumbass.
Maybe.
You got some?
Maybe one day.
That whole box comes down, right, James?
Yeah.
Besides it's stuck, yeah.
That's that.
Mason, can I get some help? It's a big box. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Alright, bring that into the garage. I don't want to help it. He's right there. What? Okay, process. We get outside or? It's gone. It's okay, we're going to the car.
Mustang? Oh no. Okay, I've got a lot of stuff to do to this car. Starting off by taking the taillights, bumpers, and trunk. Because as you can see here, we have to do some quarter panel job soon. Not now, but soon. Gonna start taking off the trunk. Scratch the trunk. Because I'm not taking the wires for the latch. It's not today. I'm not doing that today. Okay, what I'm gonna do is remove these zip ties. He has so many. Now this is off. We remove it and we throw it in his trunk because it has a lot of stuff either way. So I got my 8mm here, and what I'm going to do is PP blast these right here. Over here one should be over there. Let's try now. Okay. Gas cap is off. Just a clear visual for you guys on the rust. It's insane. The whole thing is rusted out. So, as you can see here, the whole bottom is rust. So this is gonna be fun to fix and make a new batch panels for the new quarter panels. You can see over here everything is rusted out. So, and then after that we will have to go through there and bush, take the side skirts and fix the rust under there, because it might even go further, and then we will have to buy rockers for it. Just the rust. The very sad part about this car is the rust. The rust ate it alive from sitting. But we're here to fix it. This series is gonna be fixing it. Now obviously, not forgetting this beauty. This is mine. James is mine. So this is getting love as well. When I have money, sponsors, whatever I can get, we will start doing stuff to it. Soon, we will do stuff to it. But look, 2 legends in 1 garage. Can't beat that. I barely did anything, but hopefully next day for you guys, I'll start doing more work to the car, actually. I hope you guys can be patient with my videos. I barely upload, but I work a lot, especially holiday hours. It's crazy. I'll be patient. I'm going to get you guys some good content with this, with that, and more to come.